Okay, this is our third video on the Tai Chi beginning movements. So the last movement we stopped at left Wardoff. So the next movement from here is one we don't often see in most Yang style Tai Chi forms. So what happens is that we're going to turn to the rear diagonal, and I'm going to face in this direction so you can see. I'm going to do left Wardoff, sink, and then I'm going to rise. My right hand comes up. I'm going to turn my left foot, put my weight on left foot, continue turning towards the diagonal. So in my final position, this arm is shoulder height, this arm is straight, thumb would be in an up position. So from this position here, once again, I'm going to start by holding the ball, rise, sink and turn, and rise, hand comes up, turn the left foot, put weight on it, sink on the left leg. Most of my weight's here. There's maybe about 10%. You have a little bit of weight there, but not too much. But still, it's easy enough where I can shift my weight back and lift my foot if I need to. I'm not forward on this. Okay? So again, from hold the ball, to review, this hand here, the left hand is just going to turn over. I'm going to watch my foot, watch my hand. They turn over at the same time, like so. There's not much movement. The right hand, which is turned inward like this, is going to come out just like I'm waving to somebody. So out and down. So it starts tight. It's like a spiral. So from here up and out. And once again, my direction would be towards the diagonal. So to put that together, hold the ball, rise, sink, rise, turn the left foot, put weight on it, sink on the left leg. Final position, weight is on the left leg. This hand, shoulder height, elbow relaxed. We're not up here. Elbows relaxed, arm is straight but not locked. Leg is straight, toe up in the air. Okay, so I'm going to switch directions for you. So this time you can actually follow me. So we're going to start with legs bent, going to rise, turn to the left, then rise, turn the right foot, shift our weight on the right leg, hold the ball, step out, rise, sink and turn. Left Wardoff, sink. Most of the weight's on the right leg. Rise on the right leg. That allows you to turn the left foot, shift your weight there, and sink, and on the left leg, turning towards the rear diagonal. Okay? And another direction from here. Turn, step out. Rise, sink. Okay, from here, once again from the front. So from here, I turn, sink, rise, sink. Rise, turn the left foot, sink. Okay, that's our final movement for today.